Hey, and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we'll be unboxing this brand new Nokia 3650 that I got for the price on screen here from OfferUp, which is an amazing deal considering this phone is 18 years old and it has never been used. This phone was launched in 2003, by the way, if you already don't know that. And I got this for like $60, which is an amazing deal considering even used ones go for in excess of $100. So a new one, brand new in box for like $60 is an amazing deal. I also got a extremely rare Motorola Rocker E1, also brand new in box from the same seller, which I've done an unboxing on. You can find up there in the card above. So both from the same seller, roughly about $115 for both of them, which is an amazing deal. And I've also done an Apple Pencil unboxing, my custom engraved Apple Pencil over there. You can find that unboxing over there if you want to check that out. So in this video, we'll be unboxing this and seeing what it's like, and we'll be taking sort of a trip down memory lane. If you already had one of these and you owned it back in 2003, this might bring back some memories. But as usual, before jumping right in, don't forget to smash that like button as it helps this video get on YouTube's algorithm. Also, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell notification button down below so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm on Instagram, Discord, and Twitter, and you can follow me on those using the links down in the description below. Alrighty, now let's jump right into this unboxing. So firstly, let's have a quick go around of the box itself. Now up front, we have a picture of the phone with the color that's actually inside the box. So it's color coded to the box. Nokia 3650 branding, simulated screen image, singular wireless over here. And this is a pretty standard looking singular wireless box for the day. They did their boxes like this with this orange and blue accents. And by the way, I've already done a retro review on my AT&T Nokia 3650 over there. Which you can find up in the card above if you already have not seen that video and you're not a usual on this channel. So I have done a retro review of this phone already, but this is the unboxing, like I said. On this side, we have some serial number information. The phone is made in Finland, as you can see here, but the box, where was that? The box says printed in Canada. Yeah, it says printed in Canada over there. So on this side again, we have a bunch of features, so you can pause the video there if you want to read all the features. And on this side, singular wireless, be sensible, be safe, be courteous. That's for driving, I guess, not using your phone while driving. At the back of the box, again, a picture of the phone and the package contents, and some other stuff regarding the singular wireless network. So that is just a quick go around of the box itself. Now let's open it up and see what's inside. Alrighty, so there's a flap to this side of the box. We can pull the flap open and slide the contents out. Let's leave the top part of the box aside. Leave this down. Let's see what we have up here. So Nokia connecting people, a older picture. I've seen this picture somewhere. It was in their promotional advertisements, I guess, back in the day, and on YouTube as well. We have some FCC stuff over here. Let's leave that to a side. We have more, what is this? Nokia user guide update. So there's probably an update to the user guide after it was printed. So that is the add-on in the box. We have a very thick, what I assume is the manual. I kind of had a look in there. Let's see. So yeah, a very thick user manual over there, and the manual is still sealed. As you can see, back in the day they used to seal the manuals, but after around 2010 they stopped doing that. We have a O-Photo Kodak, I think that's an installation disc. Let me see if I can get that out. Yep, it is an installation disc for let me see that. Oh no, it is not an installation disc. It is just some sort of promotional thing. If the CD-ROM is not supplied in the sales package, oh, okay. So it is some information. So sometimes there may be a disc in here, sometimes there is no disc. So you might have to go to that website to get that software. So this phone was kind of promoted heavily in terms of its camera, because this was, I think, the second Nokia phone with a camera after its predecessor. I'll put the name of its predecessor on screen there. So the second Nokia phone with a camera. So they really promoted the camera on this phone. As you can see, they're promoting it over there as well. So let's leave that to a side. We have the rest of the box. So we have the phone here. We have the older style barrel charger, so the thicker barrel charger over there, brand new. Which model is this? This should be a ACP12U. Okay, so ACP12U, the U means United States. ACP12E, as I believe, means Europe. Or is it ACP12 something else? I can't remember. I'll put it up on screen. But ACP12U definitely means United States. So that is there. It's manufactured by Aztec, by a secondary company for Nokia. So brand new charger there. Let's put that back in the box. We have the battery here. So it is a BL5U, as I remember. Oh, it's a BL5C. Okay, so BL5C, kind of bloated. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of bloated. So it's not in great shape, but it's not that bad either. I think it will hold a charge. Now, finally, obviously, we have the phone. Let's take it out. And I have a fully charged battery for this thing anyway. So, and I'm wearing gloves because I don't want to mess this up. So, oh, there is protection for the display. Okay, so there is protection. So, brand new Nokia 3650. 18 years old. This phone is seeing light after 18 years. So have a quick go around of the phone. We have the display. We have the strange dial kind of keypad. It was supposed to be used like this. Some people refer this thing as the washing machine phone because there are a lot of washing machines that have old knobs like that. Kind of looks like that. Kind of looks like that. There's a car with interiors looking like this. The dials and stuff on the dashboard. I forgot what that car was. Let me know in the comment section if you know. I think it was the Pontiac Aztec. I can't remember, but let me know down in the comments if you know of a car that has strange dials like this. I've seen the photo somewhere. Nokia branding, ear speaker, the buttons over here. Nothing much on this side. The back, you have VJ camera, Nokia branding, singular wireless branding over there. This one has AT&T wireless branding, as you can see there. At the bottom, we have your ports, your charging port, and another port. You have the microphone over there as well. We have a headphone jack, 2.5mm headphone jack as well. Up top, we have the button to press to take the back off. We have the power button as well, and that's just a quick go around of the phone. Now let's open the back up and put in a battery and see the memory card as well. As I remember, the box said 32 megabyte memory card, and yeah, that's true. Multimedia card, 32 megabytes, and it's probably made in Japan as well, because I remember that's made in Japan. The memory card on that phone is made in Japan. Let's have a quick look. So yeah, made in Japan. And as I remember, that one was 16 megabytes. We'll put this back in its place and then we'll take a look at that phone. Hold up. This was 16 megabytes. Yeah, that's 16. So I don't know what the difference is. Maybe it's AT&T. I don't know why that would have 16 and that would have 32. Either way, let's put a battery into this. Now this battery has charge, as I remember. I'm trying not to drop this phone or scratch it in any way or another, because this thing's going to be my display phone. So yeah, come on, BL5C. This battery should fit. Okay, yeah. So let's see if this thing powers on. I mean, it's brand new, it should. Yep. Now we're gonna have the AT&T, oh no, we're gonna have the singular wireless intro here. So Nokia branding there, the Nokia intro. And I think we have to put a SIM in this thing. There is no SIM in the box, as I remember. Yeah, insert SIM card. There's no SIM in the box. Now I'm not gonna waste time finding out which SIM would work with this. Sometimes that one was very picky with SIMs. Now since this is singular wireless, it's going to be even pickier. So we're not going to go over that too much. If you want to see the interface and everything on this phone, like I said, I've done a video on that one already. The interface and stuff are the same, just the network is the difference. So you can go check that video out. I put it up in a card earlier. You can also find it on my channel. But either way, this was just a unboxing of the Nokia 3650, the 18-year-old Nokia 3650, brand new in box. I hope you enjoyed this video as usual, and if you did, please leave a like on this video and hit that subscribe button and that bell notification button. Also, don't forget to check out my social media down in the description below. Thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.